Have you ever wondered who really moves the markets? Who are the hidden hands orchestrating the rise and fall of prices? Behind the flashing screens and the complex algorithms, there are real people making decisions that impact our world. In the heart of New York City, an exclusive club of the super wealthy convened in the dimly lit boardroom. The air was thick with cigar smoke and hushed voices as they discussed their latest venture, a plan so audacious it would shake the foundations of the global financial system. Their goal was nothing short of controlling the markets. But how could a small group of billionaires manipulate the intricate web of buyers and sellers, of supply and demand? The answer lay in the creation of a secret fund, a hidden pool of money that would operate in the shadows, free from the prying eyes of regulators and the public. It started small, just a handful of billionaires pooling their resources, but grew rapidly as more powerful players recognized the potential for profit. To ensure secrecy, they established a labyrinth of shell companies and offshore accounts. It was a brilliant strategy, a silent takeover of the financial world. No one was aware of the fund's existence, let alone its sinister purpose. The game was afoot. The fund managers moved in, a ghost fleet of traders working tirelessly to gather intelligence on market trends. They developed sophisticated algorithms that allowed them to execute trades at lightning speed, entering and exiting positions before anyone even knew what was happening. It was a carefully choreographed dance, a ballet of buy and sell orders designed to create just the right amount of volatility. But volatility is just the illusion of choice, a false sense of freedom within a rigged game. The fund managers understood this perfectly. They would intentionally drive up or down the price of a stock, creating artificial peaks and valleys that enticed unsuspecting investors to buy or sell. It was a subtle manipulation, a gentle nudge in the right direction that resulted in billions of dollars in pure profit. As the years passed, the fund grew exponentially, amassing a staggering $1 trillion in assets. It became a financial colossus, a behemoth that dwarfed even the most powerful investment banks and hedge funds. With such vast wealth at their fingertips, the fund managers became puppeteers of the economy, pulling strings that influenced currencies, interest rates, and even national economies. They played both sides of the market, profiting from chaos, crashing currencies, and even triggering economic crises. The possibilities were endless. And all the while, the secret fund remained hidden, its existence known only to a select few. The question is, how can we be sure that the shadowy figures pulling the strings of our markets are not still at work? How can we protect ourselves from the machinations of these financial puppeteers? In the end, the fund's downfall was surprisingly mundane. An employee leaked confidential documents to the authorities exposing the fund's illegal activities. The fund managers were arrested and charged, but not before causing massive damage to the global economy. The revelation of the fund's existence sent shockwaves around the world, shaking the very foundations of the financial industry. Regulators scrambled to implement new measures to prevent another such scandal, while investors were left wondering how much of the market's movements were actually manipulated. As we navigate the complexities of the modern financial world, it is important to remember that behind every trade there is a human hand, a mind that is either guiding us towards prosperity or leading us into a crisis. The legacy of the secret fund serves as a reminder that absolute power corrupts absolutely, and that even in the darkest corners of the financial world, the truth will always find a way to emerge. Did you find this story insightful? Do you think such powerful funds still exist today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of high finance, stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.